Hello my friends, welcome to my travel channel Vietnam Life and Travel Guide. And today let's follow me to discover Hoàn Kiếm Lake, the center lake of Hanoi Old Quarter. Today we're going to start from Đinh Tiên Hoàng Street. This is Hanoi Post Office. And this park is called Lý Thái Tổ Park. And over there we still keep we build the statue of King Lý Thái Tổ, the person who decided to move our capital from Ninh Bình to Hanoi in the year 1010. Ninh Bình is a tourist destination now, and it's about 2.5 hours, 2 hours drive from Hanoi by car. This is the street of night market. I want to mean in the evening, night market happens here. So only pedestrian, only working is acceptable in this street in the evening at the weekend. In the country, people easily go to gym to do exercise, but in Hanoi in particular, or in Vietnam in general, we usually go to the lake or anywhere to do exercise. And located nearby Hoàn Kiếm Lake is Thăng Long Water Puppet Theater, the place where you can enjoy traditional performance of Vietnamese art. Here they have the show at 4 p.m., 5 p.m. or 6:30, 6:20 p.m. or 8 p.m. And in high season of tourism, they open the show at around 1:45 p.m. or 3 p.m. or 9 p.m. as well. To buy the ticket, you can contact hotel receptionist. Otherwise, you can go directly to here to buy the tickets. or you can contact me by leave your question or your contact number in the comment area below this video. Will contact you back because we are running a travel agency in Hanoi and we can help you to do these services as well. Normally at the show at the show time there are full people waiting here queuing up for buying tickets, so you should buy online, otherwise you can buy at the hotel reception or buy from us to make sure you don't have to wait here a long time. And do you know this is the shortest street in Hanoi Old Quarter? It is Hồ Hoàn Kiếm Street. Hồ Hoàn Kiếm Street. This street is around 130 meters only, very short. Now let's drive around this area to watch and to see more if they have more options for you to enjoy Hoàn Kiếm Lake. I also want to let you know that over there they are selling tickets for electronic bus going around Hanoi Old Quarter. So you can go directly to here to buy the tickets. In the evening of the weekend, from Friday night, Saturday night and Sunday night, this area must be really busy. And on the streets surrounding this lake, the local government is organizing traditional performance and traditional games to make sure to maintain the culture of Vietnam. And just they also want to make sure that the young people, they don't forget the traditional performance as well, or traditional art. Thank you for watching my videos, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video.